Our political reporter Dave Evans now is here with that story. Dave?
Well, Bill, advocates for the poor today called this one more example of the mayor being downright mean. The Court of Appeals in Albany ruled that the Giuliani administration cannot require HIV-infected people to face so many personal and medical background checks. And the vote was clear, 7-0 against the mayor.
Little bit. Yeah.
For patients with AIDS, life is often tough, but in New York City, it's often unfair. That's according to the state's highest court, who ruled the mayor's administration violated a city law designed to make life easier for those with AIDS. People like Michael Kelly of Harlem. He was forced through a lengthy, several-step city process to verify he was sick and poor, a process he calls humiliating.
It's scary. The main thing is scary because you're not knowing whether or not you're going to pass the second hurdle. And if you don't pass it, that could be your life.
The state's Court of Appeals ruled the city's eligibility procedure violates the language of Local Law 49, a law the council passed, but a law the mayor apparently didn't like.
What's sad is that this administration knew that the law was clear. They were there for the hearings. They understood there were no gray areas. And yet they cruelly insisted on imposing this on the least among us.
The mayor, though, says he was just protecting taxpayers from people who might try to rip off the system.
If men were angels, we wouldn't need governments. And the reality is that there are a lot of good people in every group. There are some average people, and then there are some people who are willing to take advantage. And you need procedures to protect good people against people who might take advantage.
To which these council members shot back, the problem isn't poor people with AIDS. They say it is the mayor.
If the mayor was an angel, we wouldn't need the courts. The mayor is the one who's breaking the law.
And AIDS advocates today said if you make life hard for people trying to get benefits, then a lot of those in need will simply give up.